This cream is also perfect for your body, not only your face. Just stay tuned to watch the video. Okay guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Benedita. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make carrot cream for your face, or you can also use it for your whole body. So first of all, I'm going to peel the back off. So now I've washed it and now I'm going to grate it. I'm going to be using the smaller part to grate it. So now I'm just going to sieve out the juice. Just going to bring out the juice from the carrot because it's the juice that we're going to be using. So I'm going to strain the juice out. Carrots are rich in vitamin A and they help prevent the overproduction of cells in the outer layer of the skin, like sunburn and clogged pores. And vitamin A in carrots helps reduce the development of skin cancer cells. Also rich in vitamin C, which has healing properties. It helps the skin recover from external wounds. Just press it really well to get all the juice from the shaft, because we are going to be using that juice. The beta-carotene in carrots also help reduce skin inflammation. And the juice is ready, so I'm going to be adding other stuff into it. I'll be adding my glycerine, pure glycerine, half teaspoon of pure glycerine. And also I'll be adding half tablespoon of sweet almond oil. And now just be putting my vitamin E capsules. If you have the bigger one, there's no need for you to put two, just put one. So you mix everything together. So now I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. You can use coconut oil also for this, but I'll be using olive oil. And now I'll be using castor oil. You can also, if you don't have castor oil, you can skip this, or you can add any other oil of your choice. You can also add almond oil to this. So yeah, I'm going to be adding aloe vera gel. Adding 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. I will be adding another teaspoon because I want it to be thick, not too thick. I'll be adding another teaspoon to get that little bit thick. So as you can see, it's not thick yet, so I will be adding another tablespoon of aloe vera gel. This is making it the third spoon I'm putting. So for this video I used 3 teaspoons of aloe vera gel. So we're just going to mix it very well to get a smooth consistency. So yeah, look at it right now. Yeah, this is the consistency that I want. So this is it. So now I will just transfer it into this little can. I've washed and disinfected it, so I will transfer it inside this can. So yeah guys, this is the carrot cream. So this cream can be stored for 1 or 2 weeks in a room temperature. So guys, this is the end of this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new in my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you. Bye. And who is he that will harm you, if ye be followers of that which is good? 1 Peter 3:13.